I just got in a parcel from a company here in Europe that carries some of the Brambleberry and Nurture soap products. That's very convenient if you live in Europe because shipping from the US can be quite expensive. Some of these products are things that I needed to reorder and some are new for me to try out. So I thought I'd take you with me for this nice little unboxing. I absolutely love the eco-friendly packaging of this shipping here very much. This is a neon magenta pigment because I wanted to reorder this electric bubblegum from Brambleberry. And I'm just gonna take the jar that I have to compare it with each other, and it looks pretty similar. In fact, I think that on camera you cannot even tell a difference. This is a great pigment. You can just mix it with oil if you're using it in cold process soap, but it works also in melt and pour soap, and then you would just pre-mix it with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. This one is a tomato powder that I will be using for an upcoming project here on my channel, and I'm very excited for it. Moving on to the fragrance oils. This is a fragrance that I use often and it's called vetiver, and it's really fresh and clean. It reminds me of a cologne back in the olden days. This fragrance is from Brambleberry. It performs absolutely beautifully in cold process soap, but is also great in body products like whipped body butter or solid butters and scrubs. I'm going to keep this little net here to package my own products for shipping, for example beard oil and so forth. That's what I generally do, just I reuse things. I think it's really eco-friendly and also economical. Whenever I want to try a fragrance, I usually just order a small bottle. This one here is from Nurture Soap. It's called Aid an Ocean for a summer project that you will see in just a moment. The next fragrance oil is also a fragrance that I use, and it's called Dark Chocolate. I absolutely love it, and it's mainly for my chocolate cupcakes. It totally discolors the soap to a dark brown, and it smells just like a real chocolate. So whenever I'm using it, I don't even need to put any colorant in the soap, which is a bonus. The next one is one of my many attempts to find a fragrance like the white musk of the old days of the Body Shop. I used it in my 20s and I absolutely loved it. If any one of you remember, please let me know, because so far I couldn't find anything that would work for soap and cosmetic. This one smells kind of similar from the bottle, and I wonder how it will turn out in cold process soap. I had another one from the soap kitchen that I didn't like at all. In fact, I'm going to grab some coffee beans to reset my nose. This is something that I do, and you can do it too, in case you want to smell or work out your fragrance blends and so forth. Coffee is just good because it resets the nose, so to speak. I needed more of this Nurture Soap Lemon Pound Cake fragrance. and it's absolutely great. It just smells like a cake, and you can really also get the notes of the powdered sugar on top. Absolutely incredible. This one smells slightly different than the last one I had, so I'm going to compare it real quick. Not quite sure, but it doesn't matter because both of them smell really amazing. That is all for the fragrances today. Now I'm going to keep this craft type paper also for future shipping of my products. And now check out this adorable shell mold. I had my eyes on it for a really long time and I decided to get one this year. And I'm very excited to make some summer type soaps with it. And here is the cute citrus slice mold that I saw some time ago, and I thought it would be so much easier to do some soaps in this mold instead of having to cut some circles and then add it to a bigger mold like I did last year in summer here on my channel. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you're interested in other soap making related videos, please check out the playlist on the screen right here and you will find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you very soon. Bye bye!